Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is a quick learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to add a Revolut card on your Apple Pay. So let's get started. The first step is opening settings. Now we're gonna look for Wallet and Apple Pay. So just tap on that, and once you're here, you're gonna tap on Add Card. After that, a screen will appear asking for debit or credit. You're gonna want to tap on debit. So just continue and then add your card number and your name. After entering your card number, you'll be adding some details like putting your address and security code. After that, you will be able to add a Revolut card on your Apple Pay. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.